What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is Sophie the doll, and today I will be starting my maintenance vlog. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family when you're ready. I'll appreciate it. But today I'll be going to start my maintenance vlog. So basically I'll be doing my eyebrows, my nails, my toes, my hair. Yeah, so I'll be taking you guys along with me. Right now I'm actually going to be on my way to the beauty supply store because I'm getting knotless braids. The girl that's doing my knotless braids asked me to drop off the hair a day before, that way she could prep the hair. Now listen, y'all know how these stylists be when they be like, you know, drop the hair off 2 days before or a day before, and then you go and your hair is not prepped. So I'm really hoping that I'm not doing all of this for nothing and that she actually takes the time out to prep the hair, because, you know, I'm actually going on my way to go ahead and get the hair right now, and then I'll be actually dropping the hair off to her tomorrow, because today is the 31st. I get my hair done on the 2nd of June. Today is the 31st of May. So yeah, you guys, I'm pretty excited. I'm going to Cancun, Mexico, I believe. Yes, I believe I'm going to Cancun, Mexico. Yeah, this is my first time going out of the country and my first time going to Mexico, obviously, duh. And yeah, I'm super excited to just show you guys around and show you guys, you know, my, you know, maintenance routine before I actually end it going. So stay tuned, you guys, and we're going to be on our way to the beauty supply store right now. Hey guys, I'm actually at the beauty supply store right now, and it's actually raining. So, yay. Hello. Walking towards the hair. This kind of feels weird. I don't like recording when I'm out. Okay guys, hold on. Okay, so I got the 3 packs of hair because that is what the lady asked me. I don't even know how much is each pack. Does it say? I need it, so. Okay, you guys, so I actually got the hair. I tried to record while I was leaving the beauty supply store, but it started to rain and that's not safe. Okay, so I got 3 packs of hair, which is what she recommended me. I really hope that that is enough. I end up getting the Expression pre-stretched hair. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I got this one. It's by Outre Expression pre-stretched, and she told me that this is, you know, the one she wanted. So I really hope I got it, and I got it in the color 1 because I have pretty dark hair, and I think a 1 should be suitable enough for my hair. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. When I get home today, I actually have to wash my hair. Wait, no, I'll wash my hair tomorrow actually, because tomorrow is the 1st, today's the 31st, so I can wash it tomorrow, and I have to stretch my hair out, which I'm kind of not looking forward to, because the last time I did it, I borrowed my friend's blow dryer and it did pretty good with my hair. I don't have the nozzle that's like a comb to, like, you know, stretch my hair out, so I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way, which is taking a brush and the blow dryer and trying to stretch it out, which might take me a while. So I'm not really looking forward to it, but I'm super excited to get my hair done, because when I tell y'all I'm sick of my hair, listen, I'm sick of my hair, okay? Like, don't get me wrong, I love my hair, and I, you know, it's just part of me, but, you know, sometimes you need a little break, okay? So yeah, I'm about to go inside right now and do some work and etc, and I won't show you guys that because that's not really part of the maintenance vlog. So I'll pick the camera back up once I'm doing something related to my trip. Good morning, you guys. Today is the 1st of June, a day for my appointment. Right now, I am on my way to go drop off this hair to the hairdresser or hairstylist, I should say. She's not that far from my house, thank God, because I'm kind of running late. I thought I was good on time, but actually, I'm not. Well, honestly, it's not my fault. It's her fault. I texted her since last night, asking her what time will be best so that I could drop off the hair, but she never responded. So this morning I took the leap of faith and I double texted her, even though I hate double texting. And I was like, hello, good morning. Are you available before this time today so I can drop off the hair? Because I don't spend my days down here. Once I leave my house, I'm all the way up in Ives, which is not that close from the hairstylist. So that means I would have to come back down if she didn't respond. But thank God she responded. I really hope tomorrow, I really hope tomorrow that she is on time, because I do have the appointment tomorrow, the 2nd of June at 9 a.m. So I'm about to go drop this hair off to her right now. And yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, so right now I am in my bathroom, as you guys can tell, and as you guys can hear. I have some olive oil soaking in my hair right now before I wash it, because my hair was crusty, dusty, and just needed some type of attention and care before I go in with shampoo and stuff. So I usually just go in with some olive oil or any oil, and I go ahead and apply it to my hair, and I detangle it, and I just put it in 2 little braids, and I put these up because I plan braiding it because it's kind of thick, and yeah. But anyways, you guys, I just want to come on here really quick and be a little bit transparent and tell you guys how self-love and self-care is really important. I've struggled, and I've always struggled with having time for myself in terms of self-care. I always am the forefront, or like I'm always in the front, or always willing to spoil other people, whether it's in terms of buying a gift or doing something out of an appreciation or going out my way to do something for somebody. I'm always there, kind of, you know, like I'm always the one that's willing to do something, you know. And when it's in return for myself, I can't find myself to spend the money, or I can't find myself to do the certain luxuries and to do the certain luxuries that I do for other people, in terms of like buying food, or just like buying something for myself. You know, those little small things. And even for this trip, I found myself going back and forth and back and forth. Should I do my nails? Should I do my nails? Should I do my toes? Should I do my toes? And it's like I have like a guilty conscience kind of wanting to spend that money on myself, even though I know I deserve it. I don't get my nails done often, and I do not get my hair done often. As much as I would like to get those things done often, I don't. Again, because I can't see myself really spending the money all the time for it. I'm always thinking kind of for the future and stuff. And I just wanted to come on here really quick and just explain how, in my opinion, and as I'm learning, it's very important that you take some time for yourself. Take a day for yourself. Spoil yourself a little bit. If you want to spend some money doing your nails, do it, you know. If you want to spend money doing your hair, do it. Whatever makes you happy, always try your best to do it, because that's what life is about. We only got one life to live. And you know, as I'm continue maturing into a young woman, I'm realizing that self-care is the best care. You know, if you don't do it for yourself, then kind of who will you? So always take time for yourself. And yeah, I just want to come on here and have a little mini rant and be a little bit transparent with you guys, because I've been debating back and forth, even when it came time to ordering some new clothes and new this and that, you know, like I even found myself kind of not confused, but found myself not even wanting to do it. But I did it because, again, I said self-care is the best care. And yeah, I treated myself this time around, and I'm really proud of myself for even going through with all of the plans that we have. So yeah, you guys, right now I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair
And then tomorrow I get my hair done. I'm super excited about it. I really hope that the girl is on time and that we start everything on time, because I do have a long day tomorrow. So yeah, you guys, we'll get knotless braids together tomorrow. So I'll pick the camera back up tomorrow to show you guys my hair before and after. And yeah, I'm super excited. Hope you guys enjoyed this mini little rant. And if you're still watching, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, jump through when you guys are ready. This is not the end of the vlog. This is just the beginning. Okay? So I'll see you guys.
Good morning, you guys. Today is the 2nd of June. It's 8:45. My appointment is at 9 a.m. I hope the girl is on time because I texted her around like 8:20-ish or like 8:15. I told her that I'll be on my way shortly. She never responded. And listen, baby, you tired, I'm tired. We're both tired, please. Like, I literally woke up this morning, rushed. Haven't even got a chance to eat nothing. Didn't get a chance to make anything just to be on time. So I don't hear no complaints. I got myself my homemade coffee. Okay, there you can see. I got myself my homemade coffee. But anyways, guys, it's a beautiful morning so far. It's supposed to be rainy here in Miami. So this weather right here probably won't last that long. But hey, we'll enjoy it for the moment. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. If you're watching this in the morning, make it a good day, make it count, be happy, be proud of yourself. And yeah, you guys, I'm super excited to go and get my hair done because listen, I've been waiting on trying to get my hair done forever. She just left a message, so she's up, yay, your girl is up. Anyways, you guys, let's get right into my hair appointment.
Okay guys, in this clip I'm a little bit frustrated because I got there and of course the hair was not separated. By this time I believe it was already like 9:30 something, and I was supposed to start at 9 a.m. and yeah, so here I am just taking out my scrunchie to start my hair. Okay, so I did not start recording the process from start to finish, but here is a little bit of me showing you guys just a little bit of a check-in. I believe this is like the middle of my head. At this point I was kind of tired of sitting down. I was just ready to like just kind of finish because I didn't eat breakfast in the morning, just not to be late to just sit down and not even start on time. So I should have just gotten breakfast. But yeah.
Good morning, you guys. Today is the 3rd of June. I'm getting my nails done. But before we get into the nails, I want to talk to you guys about my hair. So yesterday I tried my best to show you guys a little bit of the process of my hair. Number one, I was a little bit upset because the girl made me come to her house the day before, which was June 1st, to drop the hair off. And guess what, y'all? She did not separate the hair, to my surprise. Ooh, I'm surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm being sarcastic. I'm not surprised. When I got there, she was actually still separating the hair. That kind of set us back just a little bit. I ended up starting my hair, I think, around 9:30. Now, I thought that I would be finished my hair around 3. That wasn't the case at all. I finished at 7, y'all. I was there from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Now, these are knotless braids. They're still kind of stiff. I don't know why they're stiff. I thought that they were supposed to be like loose and stuff. Maybe the way she braids and stuff makes it stiff, but hopefully the next couple of days it can unstiffen a little bit. I actually wish that I had gotten extra length because I felt like that's the look that I was going for, but I thought the hair would be like long enough to like look like extra length, if that makes sense. But yeah, you guys, so right now I'm about to go inside. It's actually raining and my nail tech has not answered me back yet. I've been texting her, or I texted her since 9 a.m. this morning, and I still haven't gotten no response. So I'm about to actually call her or text her in a second once I finish talking to you guys. But yeah, you guys, so I'll see you guys when I'm doing my nails. Good morning, you guys. So before I get my eyebrows done, I am stopping at Ulta. I have like this baking powder situation thing that I want before I go on the trip because it just snatches the look together. So I'm about to go inside. Hopefully they have it. I think when I seen it online, they told me it was only online, but my friend told me that she got it at Ulta. So hopefully they have it in stock because this is the only place I'm gonna come to get it. So let's go inside and see if I can find this baking powder. It's by Morphe. I don't know the specific color. I have the screenshot on my phone. So when I get inside, I'll show you guys the color and like the way it looks. So.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground,
Okay, you guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me or not, but I'm actually
Debido
on
a
my
los
way back.
requerimientos actuales de salud, todos los pasajeros y usuarios en general deberán usar cubrebocas todo el tiempo que permanezcan en el interior de las instalaciones y los transportes de
I'm
pasajeros.
actually on my way back to
Agradecemos su
Miami, but I realized I
colaboración.
didn't have an outro.
Due to
Hope you guys
current health
enjoyed this video.
requirements,
Don't forget to
all
like, comment, and
passengers
subscribe.
and members of the
And let me
public
know how you
must
guys
use
like
a
this
face
vlog.
mask at all times inside